this video we know about how much sand do I need for a 5 feet by 5 feet sandbox. Here you have question to calculate the volume of sand required for 5 by 5 sandbox. You have to calculate the quantity of sand required in cubic feet and number of 50-pound bags. First, we understand about what is sandbags. You know that it is box that containing sand for children to play and make fun with them and fun. Here you have to find out 5 by 5 sandbox and their sand quantity. First we make a rough diagram for this sandbox. Generally it is rectangular or square shape structure, and this sandbox is in square shape. This is a rough diagram. This one is the length of sandbox, which is 5 foot, and this one is the width of sandbox, which is 5 foot, and this one is the depth section of sandbox, which is about 8 inches, and this surrounding perimeter area covered with 4 inches by 4 inches lumber in 3 layer, and this one is your playing area for children. This one is playing area which require to fill with sand. It means the sand material fill in this space, and you have to find out the volume of required sand. Here the depth section of the sandbox is 8 inches. It means you don't need to fill the sand all the way to top, means 8 inch. It is good idea to leave the some space, and that's why the depth of sand should be about 6 inches. It means you have to fill only 6-inch depth of the sand in this playing area, and convert this in feet. Depth of sand should be 6 divided by 12. This will half cubic foot. If you want to calculate the sand quantity required for this sandbox, first we calculate the volume of sand required. Generally length multiply width multiply thickness in feet. Length 5 foot, width 5 foot, and their thickness is half cubic foot. This will come about 12.5 cubic foot. It means you need the volume of sand about 12.5 cubic foot sand required for 5 by 5 sandbox. If you want to calculate the number of bags of playing sand, the playing sand comes in 50 pounds bag, and each bags of 50 pounds playing sand yields volume about half cubic foot. Remember this one. Each 50-pound bags of playing sand yields volume about half cubic foot. It means if you want to calculate number of 50-pound bags, you just multiply the volume quantity 12.5 by 2. This will come about 25 bags. And your question is how many 50 pounds bags of sand required for 5 by 5 sandbox. It means you need 25 bags of 50-pound playing sands. And your question is how much sands required for 5 by 5 sandbox. You need something about 12.5 cubic foot volume, or if you want to buy the bags 50-pound bags, then you need 25 bags of playing sand. Thank you.